Yo, what up? We're back again. How you guys doing? Hope everyone's still having a good weekend. We're in here on another boring day at the AT&T. You can see our position from yesterday where we went long and then we just cut it off with the sell. Looks like we got down here to the volume area, low area, shot back up to the resistance line of the POC, back down to the volume area low, and I think we hopefully break through this POC, or we might just bounce in this range. If we lose this line of support though, 90K is not far away. We're gonna go ahead and hit a trade here. We're just gonna go long for the stream. Long again. See how that works out for us. What do we got? All right. Bitcoin's the bearish case. Continued rejection at 100,000 increases likelihood of breakdown. Bitcoin faced with challenges, a challenging start to 2025 with a rejection at the $100,000 mark. Notably, Bitcoin has been unable to hold sustainability above that $100,000 price level since it first broke through it in December. And multiple breakouts have followed only by rejections. The most recent rejection came last week when the price peaked at $102,000 and then sharply fell to $92,000. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Bam. Hit the daily. Boom. Got rejected, fell back down to our other daily area of support. Bitcoin's just doing what it does, man. It's following these support and resistance levels, and everyone loves to turn it into something that it's not, right? Recent price action has significantly put the $90,000 price as the most notable line of support for the bulls. That is true. If we fall through that $90,000 level of support, you don't want to know the price is down. Actually, let's look. Let's look, man. We're gonna turn that to the 4-hour. We're gonna reset the chart and zoom out. If we lose this $90,000 line of support, our last breath of hope is 87.5. If that level falls through, we're back down to 75, back down to 65. Like, it's very, very plausible that we just continue this pattern down all the way through March. Nobody wants that, right? Nobody wants a lame bull run that just barely breaks the all-time high and goes back down from there. Who would want that, you know? The resistance level to break is 103 to 108. 103 to 108, which would be all-time high. So if we break these levels, which is a 14% trip to the upside, then we're all bulls forward, right? Everybody to the moon. Does this sound good? I don't like this. Beep beep boop 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 boop. Beep dee dee doo 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 doo. Beep dee doo doo boop. I wasn't feeling that. That was a little off. All right, back to this. So yeah, those are our levels, guys. If you want my charts, reach out to me. I'll help you out with your chart and knowing when and where to take trades. And you know, for the stream though, I feel like going live right now, and then I enter at whatever levels we're at, and then I stream, and then I close the levels, close those positions. All right. What do we got? Michael Saylor puts Bitcoin tracker for the 10th consecutive week. Michael Saylor posts Bitcoin tracker for the 10th consecutive week. MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor posts a Bitcoin tracker for the 10th consecutive week on January 12th. The chart has come to a signal. I said I wasn't doing that, right? Michael Saylor's basically posting this chart, posting their buys. They hold $42 billion. That's MicroStrategy. All their purchases are here, located in green, crushing it. And he's just shouting that he's going to continue to buy Bitcoin. MicroStrategy also announced separate plans for a potential $2 billion preferred stock offering. January 3rd announcement, subject to market conditions in the first quarter of 2025. Funds from the potential raise will be used to acquire more Bitcoin and strengthen the company's balance sheet. I would hate to be so rich that I just have to be even more richer or I'm not happy. Oh, we're talking about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin to 350,000, top crypto influencer makes a bold prediction. Da Vinci's been shouting out Bitcoin since, I don't know, 2010 or something, 11. He's one of the richest Bitcoin whales out there. The current expense for miners to generate one Bitcoin is approximately $70,000. Da Vinci indicates historically that under positive market conditions, Bitcoin has frequently surpassed its mining cost by a ratio of 5. This association indicates that the higher historical trend persists. A price of $350,000 is foreseeable. The cost of factor of mining. Yeah, I mean, it costs a lot to mine, right? Expensive equipment, expensive electricity, expensive facility. The upkeep is kind of low, but they'll put that in there. And they're saying, hey, it costs miners $70K to make one Bitcoin. Which, $70K, if I could spend $70K right now and you give me 94 for, who wouldn't love that, right? Who wouldn't be about that? All right. Let's zoom even further out. Let's go to like the weekly chart. 1 week. On this perpetual cycle, okay. We're going to draw a huge fib, right? We're going to go from the very low, February 2018, way down here at 3,500. And we're going to pull all the way to the high. Oh, no. We want to pull, we want to pull from the high of 64 down to that $16,000 level, and then we want to add in the settings some of the 4 levels already on here. 4.76. That shows a price of $250. But consolidating down to this range of 40,000, still likely according to this Fibonacci retracement level. Let's go from the high back down here to the low. It's not how you're supposed to do it, but still around 300,000. It's very likely. I wouldn't see those prices are even around 2030. Who knows? We're gonna remove it. All right, what else we got? You guys think I should go live? You guys, the one person watching my stream, do you think I should go live, one person? I need to go to the dentist, man. You can see that my face is kind of swollen. I got a hurt tooth, man. Need to take better care of myself. It's hard when you don't give a shit. Oh, like that. Like this video if you felt that. Where have Bitcoin ETFs been a year after launch? They've been around, you know. That's for that old money. All right, we're gonna do XRP today too. XRP price eyes 60% gain ahead of Gary Gensler's SEC exit. XRP looks poised to raise 60% in the upcoming days after breaking out of its prevailing symmetrical triangle. I don't trade chart patterns, so I can't show that 60% range, but we'll check it out on how I like to do it here soon. XRP price eyes $4 in the next couple of days. That would be dope. Wouldn't that be nice? $4 XRP, I'd be okay with that. We're gonna pull it up here. We're gonna find the XRP. Let's look what's doing good. What's not doing good? Progressive, Nvidia, Kakinu, up only. Access Protocol, AVAX. Those are all right. Let's see what's doing good. Nothing. Shiba. We're just moving sideways, guys. We're moving sideways, which is boring. Boring, boring, boring. Okay. They're saying within the next few days, so we're going to take the 4-hour chart. We're going to pull a fib from the high. Oh, or fib from the high to the low. $4 in a mint. It's very likely. There's that 60%. See? Boom. There's a million ways to do this. 52%. 63 all the way up to 4.
Morning, sunshine.
Let's hide this. Hide. We're gonna get rid of that. This is the symmetrical triangle pattern that they're saying. And you pull like this. Oh, it's gonna break out of the wedge. It's gonna break out, you guys. Isn't that nuts? And then I think they take, when they draw the triangle, you take the high to the low, and then you drag this up from the breakout, which gives you that $4 price range. So you draw the triangle, the widest price is the amount it's going to break out. That ain't for me though, man. These chart patterns, they don't they don't work for me. I have other ways to trade that are very similar, but I like volume profiles and I like Fibonacci retracements. That's it. I don't trade moving averages. You know, everybody has their own style. Whether your style's right or wrong, who knows? It's only right if you're winning trades. Oh, there's their drawing. I just did it for y'all, but here's a detailed view of theirs. So the cryptocurrency could reach the level in the next couple days. On January 12th, XRP was showing signs retreating towards the triangle's lower trend line at around $2.37. A decline below this wave of support risks indicating the symmetrical triangle breakout scenario, while the likelihood of falling towards the pattern's lower trend line. Yeah, because that could break to the downside too. The downside of the target aligns with the 50 to 12 hour exponential moving average. I don't do EMAs. What kind of way do you guys like to trade? Ripple notches another small win against the SEC. XRP entered a symmetrical triangle breakout stage just hours after Ripple's small victory. On January 11th, federal judge approved an administrative motion to file certain documents under seal, ensuring the confidentiality of sensitive information in the ongoing legal battle. Specifically, the judge agreed to seal records containing confidential, sensitive, and personal identifiable information tied to Ripple's summary judgment motion. Yeah, they're in a court case. You can't have that information out to everyone. The ruling comes facing an SEC deadline of January 15th to file its appeal-related opening brief, challenging key rulings in Ripple case. I don't know what that means. That's funny. Oh, I don't know what you said. Despite leadership changes, with the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, departing on January 20th and former commissioner Paul Atkins expected to take over, the agency appears committed to pursuing the appeal. In December 2024, Gensler promoted senior crypto enforcement lawyers potentially to ensure continuing the case. However, legal experts anticipate that Atkins could reverse their aggressive stance on crypto. Yeah, what's up with Gensler like being so fucking pro-crypto and then all of a sudden just like, no. I wonder what that is. There has to be something deeper that I am just too blind to see or too dumb to know about, right? Like, or too broke. I'm too poor to understand, right? Man, if we wake up to XRP $4 tomorrow, send your boys some money. Send your boys some XRP. Don't keep all those gains to yourself. You and me are friends. We're good friends. And I'm already down $3,000 in this trade. This is why I paper trade, right? For the stream, like, I just paper trade. Enter a trade blindly and hope we do good, right? But, you know, if you're trading for real, enter the longs in this area. We're going to come up to this area and take your money, right? How do you guys like to trade? Do you like scalp trades, swing trades? Scalp trade is where it's at, right? Everyone wants to get rich in fucking 10 minutes, right? That's what we're hoping for. But as you can see, it never plays out. We're already down another $6,400, and that's where I'm going to leave it, right? That's where I'm closing it out at. Close it out. Close. All right, we're back down to this trading account, 88,000. In 2 days, not so good. Oh, do all that stuff like comment, share, subscribe. Just comment, I guess, you know. Alright, guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. I love you.